Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Tuesday, July 26th, 2016, and we are at 11885 Southwest Bull Mountain Road in Tigard, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we are inside of the home. We're actually inside of a closet down in the basement, and inside of that closet is another smaller closet, a mechanical, or I guess we'll call it a utility closet. In the floor of this closet is our clean out. It's a 3-inch ABS line. Let's go ahead and get our camera oriented in there. There we are. We're going to set our counter in the upper right hand corner to 0. And we're also going to make a quick note in our notes here that we transitioned immediately to cast iron. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1961, and we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built in a mixed era, so we may end up seeing some older material and some newer material the further out we go. A little bit of standing water here. So as I mentioned before, the cleanout that we inserted this camera into was a black plastic ABS line, and then we transitioned immediately to this cast iron, 4-inch cast iron line. And this cast iron is typical for what we would expect to see for this vintage of home. Also in 1961, it's pretty common to see concrete line. We haven't gotten there yet. More than likely that'll be much closer to the street, and including in the street, or wherever this line runs. It's not unheard of for a sewer line to run between homes, back behind homes. Lots of different entrances here along this way. And it looks like right here, looks like this may be our transition to concrete, although let me go forward here just a little bit. Yes, so we'll call that 52 feet is where we transition to concrete. You may or may not notice the diameter of the pipe has increased slightly. It does look like cast iron. A little bit hard for me to tell. And then here at 56 feet, we are looking at some PVC material. Now let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that this PVC is runs all the way out to the city main. In case I didn't mention it yet, the reason we run water during these inspections is twofold. Can't see a Another pipe coming in from the top there at 102 feet. Anyway, two reasons that we run the water, and first reason is gives us a pretty clear indication to how the water behaves inside the line. And then it also allows us to kind of visualize the sloped pipe. Which you could argue is maybe the more important aspect to the sewer line installation. Alright, so here at 162 feet just about, our cable has stopped, and that is because the friction inside of the pipe out at this distance, plus we've gone through, probably half a dozen turns, the friction has overcome my ability to push the camera any further. We did see a possible clean out, a second clean out, a little bit further outside, so let me go ahead and back the camera up. We're going to close this video out, I'll back the camera up, and we'll restart from the exterior if at all possible.